Hello, my name is Angela Perry, and I'm the consultant that's going to be working with your company. This is a presentation on coaching versus mentoring and the benefits that come with it. First of all, let's start with what is coaching? Coaching is defined as bringing in an outsider to help someone get more strategic about their career. Keys to good coaching are asking the right questions, helping clients discover answers for themselves, helping clients reach goals and obtain careers in their desired fields, and helping clients figure out what it will take for them to get where they want to be. A good coach will sit down and brainstorm and plan with the client, and this is so important to really figuring out what it is that the client needs and how to get them there. Goals of coaching. The goals of coaching are to help a client get their desired career more quickly and with fewer mistakes. It is also about facilitating personal change. This is done by allowing clients to experiment with some different behaviors. It should deliver performance improvements to the individual's work as well. What coaching should be. Coaching should lead to learning and personal growth. It is a short-term experience. It is practically focused. It should have a clear and strong line of feedback, and it rehearses new behaviors for the client. Mentoring is different than coaching. They are not the same thing. Mentoring is done when someone with a set of specific skills helps someone that is younger or inexperienced to grow their skills in that same area. A mentor is an experienced person that is acting as a guide. Mentorship. A mentor typically takes the time to really get to know their mentee. The mentor-to-mentee relationship is more personal and benefits from a confidential structure. It is not unusual for mentors to become lifelong friends. Mentorship can help a person grow in both their career readiness and their personal growth. It is more people-focused than coaching tends to be. Joining a mentorship program is great for confidence and self-awareness that can be translated into your day job. How is a mentor different from a coach? A mentor differs from a coach, and then a mentor is generally in the same business or profession as the mentee, whereas the coach is not necessarily in that same field. Mentoring is also more of a general guiding influence, while coaching is short and very targeted. Coaches are also paid for their time and are bound to teaching on specific topics, and again, mentors just aren't under those same constraints. It is a bit different. Why should you guys as a company provide coaching? Why should you hire it for yourselves and for your employees? What are the benefits? Coaching provides a slew of benefits that any organization can take advantage of. They are great for tracking progress and holding you accountable. Coaches motivate you to reach goals, help you to keep on track, and just stay really organized, which we can all use some help with. They help create a solid business plan. Coaches can create successful marketing plans. They provide unbiased insight, a fresh perspective, and they can really help you find balance between personal and professional lives because that can just get really messy sometimes. Now, coaching is great, but why should you provide mentorship as well? Mentors have a great deal of experience and can offer a fresh perspective. They are fantastic networking tools, and mentors can assist a business in culture building, which is huge. It makes a big difference for both the leaders of an organization and their employees. Really cuts down on turnover rate and is just overall super important. Mentors can also aid in decisiveness, and they can help hone management skills. All great things. My professional opinion is this organization would greatly benefit from both a coach and a mentor. That person can be one and the same. Typically, they're not. As a consultant, I believe this company would, really benefit from those resources. This could aid the company in ways that you can't even imagine and could offer you a boost over your competitors that you've been looking for. That is my professional opinion on this topic. Thank you for your time and have a good evening.